Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're exploring the Bospad House, a renovation project by Massa_Architecture Studio located in Linkebeek, Belgium. The house sits on a small trapezoidal plot surrounded by woodland. The original condition posed several challenges, with outdated spaces that no longer met the needs of the family, most notably a small and outdated kitchen. To address this, the architects demolished the old veranda and introduced a new extension at the back of the house. The new extension is composed of 2 volumes arranged in an L shape. This layout was designed to open up the living room in 2 directions while connecting it directly to the most beautiful part of the landscape on the south side. The L shape also creates a terrace with the best orientation, adds depth to the home, and makes it feel larger and more spacious from the entrance. The new living room is placed in the taller section of the extension, giving the space a generous sense of openness. Even though the living area feels expansive and connected to the outdoors, comfort was carefully considered. The overhanging roof lines provide a sense of protection and shelter while reducing overexposure to sunlight. On the other side, the dining area is located in the lower roofed volume, while the kitchen has been relocated to the front facade and designed to work seamlessly with the dining space. Together, the kitchen and dining area form a long rectangular layout, enhanced by the new extension. At the center, a large kitchen island, measuring about 3.8 meters, serves as the main feature, anchoring the space and emphasizing its depth. This island not only defines the zones but also creates the impression of a much larger area. A new side opening was also introduced, positioned directly in front of the kitchen worktop, allowing more natural light and a brighter cooking experience. Inside, the design prioritizes warmth and comfort. Flat wooden beams on the ceiling are left exposed, highlighting the natural beauty of the material. For the flooring, a mix of concrete and terrazzo was chosen, striking a balance between robustness and elegance. Together, these details give the home a modern yet inviting atmosphere that feels both functional and refined. Externally, the new facades are clad in vertical black wooden slats with an openwork pattern. This design choice emphasizes verticality and prevents the house from appearing too flat or heavy. With its thoughtful composition and materiality, Bospad House successfully transforms an outdated dwelling into a contemporary family home, one that maximizes limited space, strengthens the connection to its wooded surroundings, and delivers a warm modern character.